Hello viewers, in this tutorial video I will be tutoring you on how to solve a simultaneous equation using the elimination method. If you want to know how to use the simultaneous equation to solve the simultaneous equation using the substitution method, you can check back on our previous videos in our channel. But in this particular video I will be focusing on the elimination method. Let us play with this example. 2x plus 3y is equals to 45 and 5x plus 4y is equals to 74. This is the equation 1 and this is the equation 2. Now, the elimination method means that you have to make the coefficients of the variable, of any variable, to be the same in order to be able to eliminate them instantly. What do I mean? Look at what we're going to do here. In this case, let us multiply. We intend to eliminate the variable x and its coefficient. Now, what do? We multiply equation 1 by 5 and we multiply equation 2 by 2. Let's say 2x times 5 is 10x plus 3y times 5 is 15y is equals to 45 times 5 is equals to 225. That is for the equation 1. For the equation 2, 5x times 2 is 10x plus 4y times 2 is 8y is equals to 74 times 2 is 148. Now, we can now say subtract equation 1 from 2. When we subtract equation 1 from 2, we can say 10x minus 10x is 0. 15y minus 8y is 7y. 225 minus 148 is 77. Then you can say here, after that, make y the subject of the formula. y is equal to 77 divided by 7, y is equals to 11. From there, 77 divided by 7 is 11. And already, I believe you have a clear knowledge or a good knowledge of how to make something the subject of the formula in mathematics. Now, after having our answer for the variable y, in order to have the answer for the variable x, is substitute y is equals, which is 11 in equation 2. From what is written here, substitute y is equals to 11 in equation 2. Here you can say 5x plus 4 bracket 11 is equals to 74. Remember, we are substituting 11 into y. So after that, you say 5x plus 4 times 11, 44 is equals to 74. Then you collect like terms, 5x is equals to 74. When a positive number crosses, it becomes negative. 44 is a positive number, it crosses the equality sign and it becomes negative. So 74 minus 44 is equals to 30. Remember, 5x is equals to 30. Make x the subject of the formula here. When you make x the subject of the formula, you say 30 divided by 5, x is equals to 6. Now, let us fix this in the actual equation, the answers of the variable in the actual equation, to know if we are correct. 2x plus 3y is equals to 45 and 5x plus 4y is equals to 74. 2 bracket 6 plus 3 into bracket 11 is equals to 45. 2 times 6 is 12 plus 3 times 11, 33 is equals to 45. So when you add 12 plus 33, gives you 45, and the same thing is applicable to the equation 2. 5x plus 4y is equals to 74. 5 times 6, 30 plus 4 times y, 44 is equals to 74. So when you add all this together, it gives you 74. And there you can now say our correct variable is x. Answers for our variables is x is equals to 6 and y is equals to 11. So in order to know if you're correct, you need to fix this in the equations to know if you're right. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you have learned much. Please click on the subscribe button to know more. Thanks.